How far away is the place called Coldland? Asked the wizard. Oh, it's miles and miles and miles away, replied Mr. Sneeze. In which direction? Asked the wizard. Mr. Sneeze pointed. Shouldn't take long, said the wizard, who then waved his wand and muttered some magic words which wouldn't be magic if we told you that they were. What those magic words were, they worked. Before you could say sneeze, both the wizard and Mr. Sneeze were transported to Silvertown, which you will remember is the capital of Coldland. As usual, it was snowing. I say this is a cold, gloomy place, said the wizard. A tissue, replied Mr. Sneeze, who had started sneezing again. Coldland certainly needs some sunshine, said the wizard, and that's going to take some rather special magic. Please hurry up, said Mr. Sneeze, who rapidly turning into a snowman. Now, said the wizard, ignoring him, I'm going to say some magic words, and I want you to sneeze 3 times immediately afterwards. The wise old wizard then held up his magic wand and muttered some more magic words, which again wouldn't be magic if we told you that they were. A tissue, a tissue, a tissue, sneezed Mr. Sneeze. Then quite suddenly, as if by magic, which indeed it was, the sun came out from behind the big black cloud, and it stopped snowing. There now, said the wizard, that should stop the sneeze. And then other muttered some more magic words, and without waiting to even say goodbye, he disappeared. Mr. Sneeze just stood there in the sunshine, watching the snow begin to melt. After that, the sun shone every day, and today Coldland isn't any like it used to be. You can't see red-nosed dogs chasing red-nosed cats, chasing red-nosed mice anymore. And these days, the sound of the sneeze is a very uncommon sound indeed. And even Mr. Sneeze doesn't sneeze anymore. And that isn't the only thing different about Mr. Sneeze, as he discovered him when he looked in the mirror one morning. Can you see what was different about Mr. Sneeze?